finally we can plan feature 3.13, which should include the inventory panel. So I can finally see the inventory slots and can work with that. Read the docs for features 3.8, 3.7, 3.6 maybe as well, where we describe the inventory and chests, and run go.architect to plan feature 3.13. Give me the summary when you're done. Okay, so this one will be actually the last feature of our base building. Isn't it crazy? Isn't it crazy? Look at that. Look at that game. It just works. We have like the production running. We have items here. I can craft like infinite bandages, rations. No, not infinite bandages. Let's keep infinite bandages. I can assign, reassign workers. You see, if I like clear, sorry, not the wrong one. If I unassign worker, queue is there, but nobody's working on that. So that's pretty amazing. And if you know from yesterday, they can walk through the doors. They respect the passes. Let's unassign guy from there. Let's unassign guy from there, right? Let's move this chest. You see, he just walks out of the door. He's walking out of the building like, fuck it. Yeah, look. Like, fine, I'll go somewhere else. Just wandering around. Where's he going? I'm curious. Yeah, so this is really impressive for myself, you know, to see that everything works here. Now we've crafted a lot of shields. Yeah, let's craft some armor. We will use it later. I hope it's saved somewhere. I really hope it's saved somewhere. You see, queue is full actually. I cannot put any more items here. State stalled. I don't think the status should be stalled right now. State idle. Well, we can check that later, right? Ooh, do you see that? Do you see? I don't see items any longer. No, please don't. I don't know what happened. I don't know what happened. So let's take a screenshot here. Let's edit there. Where my screenshot recent. I don't know what happened, but my info panel start expanding incorrectly and I don't see plus and infinite buttons anymore. The text on top is cut. So items are expanding beyond the edges of the panel. Can you fix that? It's gonna be a phase 4 already, world layer MVP. And we'll have world map, node based. So in my vision, I suppose to have like a map, you know, the proper map with some territories, with nodes or locations. So all the map we'll see, it will be one biome and it will be a wasteland. And within this biome, you'll have like about 24 different nodes, and each node will be something special. The one will have like, I don't know, old ruin zone. The other one will have like the mountain range. The third one will have like monolith, ancient structures and ruins, something like that. And basically each of these nodes you would be able to explore yourself, and it will contain like resources, some like secrets, quests, NPCs you can interact with, combat arenas and stuff like that. So a lot of like content within each node. And yeah, that's basically what it says, like node-based world map, travel between locations, that what we're supposed to do, combat arena entry, and we should be able to return to the base. Sounds like a fun. We probably will need to design it in more details. I did design it in my game design documents. If you remember, I told you before, I have like really comprehensive documentation of what I'm building, and that's basically how AI is able to function. So if I open my cursor again, where you can see the documentation. Hi baby, hello, come in, come. Иди сюда. Светлана, are you still here? Come. Иди сюда, малая. Иди сюда, малая. Yeah, so, Cat is here. Fine, you are dear. What I was saying. Yeah, so there are multiple documents, like the story of the game design documents, like what it was inspired with, and they are the actual like game design loop. So we have the base, we have a party, we have a combat run screen, we have the rescue missions, etc, 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 and there are NPC infections as well there. Why is it opening like in different windows? I'm really curious. I don't know how this editor works. Yeah, so what I was saying, NPC types, factions here, description about each faction, about its units, about history of the faction, like a lot of stuff. It even has like NPCs designed already, and different structures of the society, etc, etc. But yeah, there is a visual style of the game here, as what we're doing is, no, that's the technical architecture. Hold on, sorry, I am wrong. Yeah, I think we do not have a document actually about the open world implementation, specifically what I was talking about now. We have like bits and pieces here and there, but no exactly. So yeah, it's really high level brief document. I should work on that tomorrow in more details, I think. So I better prepare for the stuff, you know. And I probably will design a couple of locations. Basically all as I wanted, honestly. And we have details. And we can equip it to someone. Ooh! That's cool. I mean, for the MVP, totally fine. And it's gone from here. Wow! Hold on, I need to test it. Who did I equip it to? I don't remember. Fine. Let's equip this one to the researcher. Okay, well, that item is gone. That's weird. Equip guard. Equip engineer. Yeah, fine. At least pick some item from the chest. From some chest. Nice. Let's destroy one item. Confirm. Yeah, alright. Bow. Medic. Engineer. Nice. not pick the right bow. Farmer? No, it did not. Well, never mind. So let's see who has stone X. So we click X here, right? That should go back to the chest. And this one, it appeared here. Pretty cool. Inventory. Okay, 140 slots. Let's delete one chest. How do we know if we have items in the chest? We don't. We just deleted 130 slots. Neat. Neat. Alright, so yeah, let's say to that guy, inventory view does not have to be that big. It does not have to be full size because it's using about 20% of the width. Maybe if you can make it, maybe if you can put chests in the map for the MVP project. Basically on the map you could see ruins in the middle, river camp around it, and then the order village in the bottom left corner. So we'll use that map to show the user to select a node. And there is an image, yeah. Sorry, we will do, instead of just dumping image here, it's in resources. Which one was that? 3E3, yeah, this one. Okay. And that guy addressed two of my issues. Let's see how it looks right now. Fuck. Is there no? Can you check my save and return me to the base, please? It says escape should work. Oh, nice! Escape worked. Sweet. Okay, so inventory. Yeah, feature. Shit. No, but now you dumb. Put back the size of the inventory, the width in the inventory, because right now I only see 2 chests. The other chests are invisible. Oh, they probably got cut by the width ratio. Yeah, so we also should see there is no selection, or is it because inventory is open? Okay, yeah, there is no selection. I wanted to do it here as well, or did I want to? I put it for later, I think, right? Yeah, I put it for later. We'll do it while reviewing the plan. Where was my request for that one? So, okay. Okay, all right. So let's start. What has it done? I'm afraid it did something stupid again. Plus 10 empty chests. Oh, so it only shows. Hold on. Do you mean what I think you mean? No. Come on, let's do a lot of lockpicks. I don't know. Ooh, percentage now visible. Okay, we do a bunch of lockpicks and we do a bunch of stone axes. Well, as many. Okay, let's do a couple of stone axes. Right? They should. They would stuck. Okay, we do not want to do lockpicks. They would stuck. Stack? Yeah, they would stack. So we do more stone axes. Alright, I see. Empty chest collapsed into single lines and plus 10 empty chests at the bottom, so we're taking the entire space. Okay, I like it. It should be fine. That should be fine. We will get do not modify the previous one. Alright, so there you go. There you go. There you go. So why sorting depth occlusion problem for the game? When everything baked in one image, we have the problem, right? Approach 1, 2 layer split. Split map into 2 layers, ground layer, overlay layer. Good algebra to generate this into 2 separate images. Yeah, I mean, that could be cool. So if we play with that now, let's actually try that. Let's actually try that. Nice. Nice, nice. I mean, this is way too small. Zoom it out so camp takes 50% of the map. So where's my Figma? Let's use Figma. Let's see if Figma can manage that. I think it can. I have positive vibes about that. Now I become a designer again. So there, what we've been working on recently. You remember that, and we can just dump this into, but not here. Where's my Figma? Oh, it was there. There we go. So we dumped it there. It's actually 2000. Okay, that's pretty cool. 2000 by 2000 already. And let's duplicate it. Can you duplicate it? Oh, it did. It's actually triplicated. All right. Let's ask Gemini to do that. Pass and shadows, no structures. And yeah, it didn't do anything differently. Can I adjust that one? No, I cannot. So maybe I'll redo this one. All right, so for the first image, ruins, generate just the flat desert with the path and shadows, no structure. No structures. Okay, let's try now this one, and I can edit this one. What? Shit, I'm already paying for Figma so much. What's going on? Is it in the wrong project? Team project, free. That should be in the different. Hold on, sorry. It's not in a team project. That should be moved to my company project. Move file into Baramites. New project. ColonyZero. Yeah. Create project. It's my ColonyZero now. Move there. Yeah. Okay. So I have my company project here. And there is my image. And here I can actually edit it. Can I? I should be able to edit it. Come on. And where is Gemini prompt here? I don't see it. That's weird. Let's restart it. Let's restart it. That's something wrong. All right. This one is still reviewing, taking a lot of time. 10 minutes to review code, which it implemented in 5 minutes. Funny, silly. There you go. There you go. So, split this image into layers. First would be flat desert ground with path and shadow and no structures. And second one will be structures on a transparent background. I don't know if it can do it in like one go. Maybe it will need to be done in 2 prompts. How do you think? Maybe it can, maybe it can't. And what is this one doing? Sick. I mean, yeah. Yeah, like 10 minutes maybe. 10 minutes more and I'll go. So this one is fine actually. It's not bad. That's something we can work with, I guess, for the MVP purposes, right? For the generated image, for the previous generated image, let's see how it works. So we download this one. Let's say everything it gives us, you know. You never know if it decides to remove stuff later. You know what's that? This is basically the background layer of the map on which we'll put the foreground layer, which is supposed to become like a separate, you know, layer behind which the characters would walk. Oh, I need to pick up a cat again. She's out. Sit there, wait for me. Oh, okay, that's pretty neat. That actually works. Cool, that's promising. And what's that? Almost there. Almost there. I don't think it's real PNG. I think it's squares. That's what AI tools doing, you know. They just draw squares. And no. So let's duplicate this one again. Let's try this one. Edit with prompt. Okay, what if we just do remove background? So do you want to see this real PNG? I doubt it's a real PNG. Told ya. AI knows that PNG should have the checkboard squares. So it will be checkboard squares. I hate it. But it's easy actually. We click remove background, it will remove the checkboards. I think. Yay! You see, now it's a real PNG. And this one is neat, huh? And then we do that. Hold on, just curious. Isn't it cool? That's how we build our game. That's how we'll build our game. Remove structures. Keep background, path, and shadow.